holds a very special place in my heart because it is one of the fastest patterns that you can sew up. So whenever you need like a little boost for your sojo, this is the pattern I go to. Let's sew one up together. One of the reasons why I really like this pattern is because there's so few pattern pieces. So once you get this printed out, you're just gonna use the same piece for the front and the back. You're just gonna remove part of the neckline. And then I'm gonna be sewing the banded version, and that's the only pattern pieces that I have for this entire pattern. The time is now 3:07 p.m. and I have to get to my daughter's back to school night at 6:30. And I think I'm gonna have tons of time to do that. So let's see how long this takes me. Okay, I've got my pattern pieces all cut out, and now it's time to go into the sewing room and sew this up. I'm gonna start with my shoulder seams first. Shoulder seams are done. Now I'm gonna move on over to our side seams. Okay, this is basically made. Shoulder seams, side seams, done. All I need to do now is put on my neckband. Should I do cuffs, or am I gonna just, probably do cuffs. And then put the hemband on, that's it. I'm taking the hemband, I am folding it in half long ways, and I'm gonna sew this short end. Okay, the time is now 3:26. I've got my hemband, I'm gonna fold that in half with wrong sides together. And I'm going to mark the quarter points of this hemband and then match those quarter points up to the bottom of my sewn shirt. It's now 3:31 and I'm going to serge the hemband onto the shirt. Okay, so I've got my hemband on, see? And I am actually gonna go cut some more cuff bands because I think it'll be nicer to finish the LBD Donna Dolman sleeve with cuffs. Now we're just gonna sew those short ends just like we did with the hemband and then apply them on using the quarter points to connect. Okay, I am done with the sleeves and the hemband. So everything anything that's left is just this neckline. And I am trying to decide if I want to do neck band or a neck binding. I think I'm gonna do a neck band. Okay, to make a neck band, when you don't have a pattern, all you do is measure the neckline opening and then take 85% of that to create the neck band. Okay, the time is now 3:49. Let's see if we can get this done in 10 minutes. I did it. It is 4:03 and I have sewn my whole shirt. Yay! I'm just gonna trim it and press it and then I'll try it on. Okay, it took me exactly 1 hour to do this project. How is this for a satisfying sew? It took me less than a yard of fabric, less than an hour of time, and it's a quick, easy project to revive my sojo and make me realize how much I enjoy the satisfying sews that I have out there. So this is definitely a TNT pattern. This is called the LBD Donna Dolman. This is just like an easy summer make. This is just like a little rayon spandex that I had lying around in my stash. And don't mind my coffee that I have spilled all over my jeans right now. But I have plenty of time. It's 4:09. I have plenty of time to get home, take a shower, and get ready for my daughter's back to school night. But I just thought that you might like to see how quick and easy this pattern comes together in case you're looking for something to revive your sojo. Today only this pattern is $5. For our feature Friday at Love Notions, make sure that you check back every Friday for our $5 feature pattern. Bye. Oh, and also check out the blog today because we've got 9 easy ways to revive your sojo, and this is number 1.